The Model B pistol is the 9mm Parabellum variant of the A and B series of 1911-inspired pistols that led Star design for the next 60 years. The models A, B, P, and M had roughly comparable updates over the years. Probably the smallest major caliber locked-breech pistol available at the time of its introduction in the early 1970s. The BM, BKS, and BKM are shortened, compact versions of the basic Model B pistols. None were made in the Super configuration with the linkless barrel. The BM is steel while the BKS and BKM are alloy framed. The BM and BKM have the same dimensions and are noticeably smaller than the slightly earlier BKS. The BKS was sold in the USA under the Starlite name. This is presumably because it was unusual at that time to have an alloy frame, so the lightweight was of note. The BKS, at least, had a magazine safety as on the BS. The BKS pattern was superseded by the Model BKM, differing largely in finish, and the only easily recognizable external change is oblique finger grooving on the BKM slide instead of vertical cuts on the BKS. In 1972, Star manufactured a short version for .30 Luger which was named UKS, version of BKS, and US, version of BS. Star issued to World War II German troops do not carry Nazi-proof marks, the only foreign arms exempted from this requirement. A total of 217,682 Star BM pistols were made between 1972 and 1992.